Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome everyone to another video here on the K-Tech channel. And today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of this new release, the Baseus BP1 Pro. And before I open the package and show you all the details, do some tests so you can check out the quality of this product. Go ahead and leave a like so you don't forget. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share it as well. Now, a very important message. Baseus gave me a unit of these earbuds to give away to you for free. So stay tuned to this video because I'll explain what you need to do to win one of these beauties. And if you want to buy this one from a Brazil-based warehouse, tax-free, I'll also leave the link here in the video description. Alright, now let's get to our unboxing with an initial review and first impressions of these Baseus BP1 Pro earbuds. Let's get into the video. Let's get started. In the unboxing, you can see here that we have the picture of the product on the front, its main features with high-resolution audio quality, BP1 Pro model noise cancellation up to 50 decibels adaptive hybrid, and battery life for up to 55 hours of playback. It comes with 6 microphones for crystal clear clean calls and IP55 certification. And on the back, we also have the same information, as well as a seal certifying the authenticity of the product. Inside the box, we have the quick start guide, the safety manual, and some little stickers for you to stick wherever you want. And inside the plastic box, we already have the earphone, and next to it, a USB Type-C charging cable on one end, USB-A on the other end, and a little pouch with 3 sets of spare ear tips in different sizes as well. And that's all we have in the box, okay? Now, with the earphone already in my hands, already paired with my smartphone, here it is for you. Look. A very nice looking case, a very elegant earphone, okay? The finish is very well done. You can see that the earbuds touch surface is matte, and you can also customize the controls directly in the app. If you want tap, double tap, triple tap, whatever function you want to set for this earphone, for each side individually, okay? At the bottom, there's the USB-C connection for charging. And now I'm going to put it in my ear so you can see how it looks when it's already in. Man, when you put it on, the noise cancellation is already activated. You already feel like you're inside a capsule, in a bubble, okay? Here, so you can see how it looks. Very light, okay? The little headphones here are really easy to put on. They stay on really well too. You can shake your head as much as you want. They won't fall off. You can talk, shake, jump. They won't fall off, okay? They're really well attached. Look, I just started the music by tapping here. A tap on either the left or right side plays or pauses. 2 taps on the right side, it increases the volume. 2 taps on the left side, it lowers the volume. 3 taps on the right side, it skips to the next track. 3 taps on the left side, it goes back a track. That's how I set it up. If you press and hold here, it calls the voice assistant. It works on both the right and left sides. That's how I set it up, but you can change it and set it however you want, all through the app. In the app, you'll also see the battery percentage, both for the earbuds and the case. You can change the type of noise cancellation, okay? There's normal, transparency, and maximum cancellation. For sound control, you have normal, music mode, and cinema mode. And you also have dynamic sound, which includes normal bass boost for stronger bass and dynamic balance. And you can still use its equalizer to set it up according to your preference. You can set it by music style or customize it your own way, however you prefer. It also supports connection with 2 devices at the same time. It has a low latency mode, so when you're using the headphones and playing games, that's really cool. You can also enable or disable LDAC, which is the improved sound quality, right? You can leave this enabled. Of course, it will use a bit more battery, but you'll also get better sound quality. Next, you can also configure the headphone controls, as I already mentioned to you. You can adjust it however you want there. We also have a headphone search feature, so you can find your headphones and locate where they are. And in settings, you have its name, the version, the option to restore factory settings, and also to unlink the headphones from your app. And now I'm going to explain to you what you need to do to win headphones like this. It's very simple, okay? You will leave a comment down below on this video, and the comment that gets the most likes will win headphones like this. Remember that the like count on the comments will be valid for the first 15 days after the video is posted, okay? I don't know the release date yet, but after it's published, count 15 days from that day. I'll close it on that day, on the 15th day, and I'll do the count then to see who got the most likes. So man, share this video, send it to everyone, and ask people. Leave a like on your comments so you can win one of these beauties, alright? Without having to spend a single cent, you'll get it delivered straight to your home, sent by Baseus. All right, I'm going to play a song now and listen to it for the first time, okay? I've already used the headphones and done some tests, but this specific song I'm going to play has a lot of bass and some really different tracks too, so I can evaluate it here in real time for you guys. I'll comment as the sound comes out, and as I turn up the volume, I'll try to interpret and explain to you what I'm hearing here in terms of quality, all right? All right, let me put it on here. The song starts with bass, okay? And I'm here at 50%. It's a nice sound, balanced, normal, not overdoing it, you know, nothing extravagant. I'm here in the app in music mode, music, right? With the bass boost function activated, okay? So it already has enhanced bass. Let me switch here to dynamic balance. Let's see. Then the sound gets much brighter. Much brighter. I really like bass, okay? And I also have noise cancellation turned on. Here in the equalization mode as well, I'm using this deep bass mode, which also boosts the bass more, okay? I'm really pushing the bass to see if there's any kind of distortion. Let's go, I'm gonna turn it up now. It actually handles it pretty well, huh?
Com o Bass Boost ativado e o Deep Bass aqui no modo de equalização.
All right, what can I tell you about the audio I'm hearing from these headphones, the BP1 Pro? Very good sound quality. With the volume at around 70 or 80, it delivers an amazing quality, all right? But if you want the maximum volume, if you really want to blow out your eardrums, the volume gets really high, and when you put it at the max, the bass gets very strong. I intentionally set the bass boost here, right? I also set the equalizer to deep bass to really push the bass, okay? So, with the volume at maximum, it even distorts the bass a little, okay? But that's because I have all of this activated and the volume at the maximum. When I change the equalizer here, switching from bass boost to dynamic mode, it doesn't lose that bass quality anymore, okay? It manages to balance the bass well, delivers very good high quality audio, and also with a very high volume, okay? The volume, I'll tell you, is above average compared to what I'm used to testing here, testing with headphones and showing you guys here as well. Very high volume, and of course, depending on the settings you choose, it will maintain the quality, it won't lose quality, even at maximum volume, okay? So what's the conclusion I can give you here? It's an excellent headphone for its price, okay? In the range of around 280 to 300 Reais. In Brazil, buying it is quick and easy, and it offers a lot. It's a complete headphone with excellent noise reduction, customizable equalization, an app, and you can also customize the controls on the earbuds too. Very good, very complete. The sound quality is also very good, and the price is affordable, okay? It's really worth it. I liked it a lot. And you already know that to buy yours, the link will be down here. And by using the link, you also know that it helps me a lot. That's it, guys. Let's wrap it up here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave your like, check if you're subscribed to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share it with everyone too, okay? We're in this together. God bless you all. Big hug. See you next time. Thanks. I'm out.